You are looking for help installing your flated truck bed platform. Well, trust me, you came to the right place, Daddy or Sister O. Look at this material in this guy. You can sleep on this thing, camp on this thing, store your tools and coloring books under this thing. We're gonna help you do that. Hardest part's gonna be inflating it. You can use the Looney Tunes plunger that it came with, or shop vac is recommended. You can just put that thing on reverse and blow some trouble into it. Hey, it's our first install in a long time, and unfortunately, for the first time, we don't have Corey with us, my large friend, the Robin to my Batman, the Tonto to my Lone Ranger. Unfortunately, he fell into some mud, and some hunters saw him, and well, you can imagine what happened next. But the show has to go on, right? And it must go on with our buddy Scott, who's going to be doing all of the installs with us from here on out. Scott, please tell us how to install this flated baby.
Super easy. It's got 4 different valves on it. You can just air it right up, and there's a couple different ways to strap it in, which we'll show you here in a second.
He looks handsome, don't he?
Okay. So it really depends on preference. So this is how we have this specific customer set up. We have the ring up top here, running through the D-ring on the truck back here, and then we just run it through this little clip right here. So from factory, they do recommend running the strap directly through this loop, and then having the carabiner on the truck mount, the D-ring mount.
But really it's kind of a matter of how often it's going to be in your truck bed, right?
Yeah, and it's really whatever's easiest for you, whatever you prefer, and depending how much you're going to be taking it in and out. A little bit of slack there. So basically this has 2 slots on it. You're going to go up through this one, just like that. And then you're going to feed it right through the second slot there, closest to the end of the clip. Just like that. And then once you've got that done, you can just pull it tight, get the slack out of it. Once you've got a good amount of tension, that will keep it from going anywhere.
No more sleeping on park benches for me.
So the other way is to run the strap directly through the hook up here, like so. So we're running it straight through the hook on the mattress. And this truck's a little bit tricky. That's another reason we had it ran the other way. The carabiner, he's got it rhino line, so the carabiner doesn't fit over his D-rings too easily. But we're gonna get that clipped real quick. Just like that. And then we're gonna pull the slack out, and again, just run it straight through that clip just like we did the first time. So we'll get that strap lined up as straight as we can, and we're just gonna run it through. Pull that slack out, just like that. And we're gonna run it right back through that hole, just like the first time. And then you can pull your slack out, and that would be the other way to strap that on, just like that.
Well, you might not be Corey, Scott, but I kind of like you still. I like this. By the way, some safety tips. I did read this. This is real in the book. It says do not use this as a flotation device. So probably not like in Indiana Jones 2 where they go out of the helicopter and they go down the mountain. You seen that one?
No.
Just like Corey. You have any questions about Indiana Jones 2 or anything else, hit us up, MidwestAftermarket.com, or old school style. Pick up the phone and give us a call. By the way, we saw how you did the straps. I'm assuming there's 4 in there. You can do the other ones just like that one, right?
Yes, you sure can. There's cutouts up front, so you can easily access the D-rings on your truck and get those installed.
And we also have the topper that we're going to be doing a separate video for. We're going to be doing the install for that, and maybe some questions you have we're going to be answered in that video. So we're going to see you next time. Again, pick up the phone, give us a call. You want to pick this up. Scott, we're going to pick him up a copy of all of the Indiana Jones movies, okay? Mm-hmm. All right, we'll see you next time. Come this way. I got them on VHS, the old cuts. It's better that way.
Oh
yeah, we'll check it out.